Can you take me to Minerva Theater?
Sure. Are you going to that new movie that's playing there?
Yes, but it starts at 6 p.m. Do you think we will make it in time?
Traffic is light and we're not far away. I'll get you there in about 10 minutes.
Great. I was late the last time I went, and I couldn't get in till intermission. That's not good if you're a film critic.
Well, don't worry. This time you'll have plenty of time to spare. Here you are, sir, Minerva Theater. What did I tell you? You were 30 minutes early.
I sure appreciate it. How much do I owe you?
$150, please.
Okay, keep the change.
Thank you. Enjoy the show.
I will, thank you.
What does the man want to do? A. Watch a movie. B. Play a musical instrument. C. Listen to music on the radio.
What does the taxi driver tell the man? A. The movie theater is far away. B. There are many traffic lights. C. There are few vehicles on the road.
What does the man do for a living? A. He delivers newspapers. B. He builds theaters. C. He reviews new films.
What time does the taxi arrive at the movie theater? A. 5:30 p.m. B. 5:50 p.m. C. 6:10 p.m.
How much does the man pay the taxi driver? A. 200. B. 100. C. 150.